Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to change text direction in MS Word. So first you will learn how to change text direction in a table. So select the cells, then right click on it, and here you can see option text direction. Click on this and there are different options available. So I am selecting this one. Click on OK and now you can see the text direction is changed. The next thing is how to change direction of text if it is not in the table. So for this, first of all, insert a text box. Click on insert and select text box. See, I am selecting here draw text box. Draw text box here and write in it. Say I am writing how to text. And now select this and go in their text direction. And again you can select whatever the position of text you want to do, and you can adjust its size. So this is how you can change the text direction in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.